charcoal chimney out, getting some charcoal ready so we can do another rotisserie. I believe this is the only thing that you can let the smoke out and it still works. I notice in electronics you let that smoke out and it stops working. And we're getting ready to put a chuck roast on this rotisserie. As you can tell, we're getting ready for another rotisserie job on the Weber Kettle. And this time we're doing a chuck roast. I believe it's about 3 pounds. We'll give that a seasoning. We'll get it on here and start it rotisserie, rotating flavor. Now it's time to get the spit in and get it aligned and get it on the Weber Kettle. I tell you, there's nothing better than something basting itself. This is one rotating flavor you don't want to do without. It will be delicious. Larpin', as I say. Okay, we'll put this end on the spit, push it up into the chuck roast, get them tightened down, and then we'll place it on the Weber Kettle. Now you want to make sure you get these forks tight on these. They can come loose, and as it rotates, it can slide. All right, we have our charcoal in there, both sides here. Now, we're going to set this pan down here between. Now we're going to set this thing on the rotisserie, see if it's lined up, and we'll be good to go. We'll be back. Okay, our rotisserie is going. It's working well. And we're going to season it here a little bit more. Now, I already put black pepper, as you can tell, if you can see it. Zoom in a little bit. Got black pepper on it, and I seasoned it with some a little bit of garlic, but I got some SPG I'm going to season it with. And season it well, because some of it will soak in, some of it's going to run off when the moisture starts. And basically that's all I'm going to do to it there. I am going to add a little bit more black pepper. Now, we're going to let that go, get warm. It's pretty much in the center, it looks like to me. It could go that way just a hair, but I think it'll be fine. We'll be back. Now it's time to put the meat thermometer in there. We're using the meat stick. We'll get it in there and monitor the internal temp. All right, as you can see, we are doing about 300 degrees, looking good, and it's ready to come off of there. See what, oh, that looks juicy, nice, oh my word. That looks good. My. That'll make your tongue slap your brains out. All right, we'll get it off of here and get it over here on the cutting board. Pull the spit out of it. All right. turn it off there. There we go. Now we're going to bring it over here. Now let's see if we can get the spit out. I snug these a little more with a pair of pliers because it has slipped, so I snug them more. Oh, there it comes. I'm going to go ahead and pull this meat thermometer out of there. Yeah, we'll get this one out. Oh, yeah. There we go. Set that right there. And we're going to bring that over. Bring that over. All right. Now, I'm going to take it inside, and we're going to let it rest for about, 35, 40 minutes, maybe an hour. Okay, it's inside. It's been resting. Let's get this open and get it out here and see if we can slice up a few slices. Now that looks delicious. Juicy, tender, looks awesome. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.